Hello students, in the last session the revision is completed for all one. As we know, the chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 14 and 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 chapters are completed, in which the chapter number 11 and the chapter number 4 is not in the syllabus. Not in syllabus means not in the syllabus of previous examination. Rest of the chapters are in the last examination. As you know, prepare 4 and 11 very well for the next examination. Right now we discussed our new chapter, the chapter number 6, which is triangle, is the chapter based on a geometry, triangles. In also the standard 9, the triangles is completed. We know the congruent triangles, congruent figures. Let's see some basic introduction about the triangles. First is congruent figure. What is congruent figure? Then we go through similar figure, congruent figures. Two figures have same in shape. Two figures have same in shape and size are called congruent figures. Two circles with different center but same radii are called congruent figures. Two squares with same measurement is called the congruent figures. Suppose two square with same measurements. One centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Two squares with sides 1 centimeter are called congruent. There are lots of figures. You see the congruent figures. Now we see the definition of similar figures. Also you can say that two circles with same radius but different center is called congruent figures. Congruent figures means the congruent circles. Now we see the similar figures, definition of similar figures. Similar figures. Two figures have same shape. Two figures have same in shape but different in size, but not same in size, not same in size are called similar figures. Say example, two circles with different radii, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, O and P are the congruent similar figures. Two circles with different radius are the similar figures. There are lots of similar figures. Smaller triangle, larger triangle, star, larger star, etc. are called the similar figures. Now the concept is clear between congruent figures and the similar figures. In your textbook, the figure 6.2, there are different figures are given. Keep in mind one note that given in textbook also, all congruent figures are similar but the similar figures need not be congruent. Got it? Keep in mind one note please. In your textbook on a page number 118, the topic 6.2, similar figures. Try yourself to read that one. Now we go through our example, page number 119. For the two polygons, one condition is given. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if first their corresponding angles are equal and second their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Here the two polygons are drawn and taken from page number 121, figure 6.5. The measurements are given. Polygons are ABCD. It is quadrilateral, or you say the polygons. Angles are also given. We have to prove that the two polygons are similar to each other. As we know from the standard 9, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are equal. For the congruent triangles, one property is compulsory, that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are also equal, then the two triangles are congruent. Here we have to check that the two polygons are similar or not. If the two polygons are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, means the ratio is proportional. Now the quadrilateral or a polygon in polygon ABCD or quadrilateral ABCD and the quadrilateral PQRS. First of all, find the corresponding angles. Angle A is equals to angle P is equals to 105 degree. Angle B is equals to angle Q is equals to 100 degree. Angle C is equals to angle R is equals to 70 degree. Angle D is equals to angle S is equals to 85 degree. Here the corresponding angles are equal. Now we want to find ratio of their corresponding sides. AB upon PQ, where AB is equals to 1.5 and the PQ is equals to 3.0. 15 upon 10, 13, 10 goes to the denominator. 15 twos are, which is 1 upon 2. Now if ratio of the all sides is 1 upon 2, then two polygons are similar. Second one, BC upon QR, where BC is equals to 2.5 and QR is equals to 5.0. 25 upon 10, 5 0 and the 10. 0 0, 10 10 cut, 25 twos are, which is 1 upon 2. Third is CD upon SR or RS is equals to 2.4 upon 4.8. 2.4 into 2, which is 1 upon 2, and the last one is AD upon PS, where AD is equals to 2.1 upon 4.2, 1 upon 2. What happened here? The ratio of all sides, they are corresponding, is equal and corresponding angles are also equal. Here in both quadrilaterals, corresponding angles are equal and ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, means they are similar polygons. Got it? Now we see the next one, figure 6.6. One is square and one is rectangle is given. We want to check it The both quadrilaterals are similar or not? ABCD. Four sides are equal. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and also CD is also 3 centimeter. PQRS is rectangle, opposite sides are equal. All four angles are right angles. Now we want to check that the square and the rectangle, means the two quadrilaterals, are similar or not. The first of all, in quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS, corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equals to angle P is equals to 90 degree. Angle B is equals to angle Q is equals to 90 degree. Angle C is equals to angle R is equals to 90 degree. And angle D is equals to angle S is equals to 90 degree. Yes, the corresponding angles are equal, but not one condition is satisfied for the corresponding similar figures. Now I want to check the ratio of the corresponding sides. AB upon PQ is equals to 3 upon 3.5, which is 30 upon 35, 6 upon 7. The second one is BC upon QR, 3 upon 3 cut, and we get 1. The first two ratios are not equal. Let's check for another one. CD upon SR, where CD is equals to 3 and SR is equals to 3.5. 30 upon 35, 6 and 5, 5 6 are 5, 7 are 6 upon 7. And the last one is AD upon SP or PS, 3 upon 3, which is 1. Now what happened here? The corresponding angles are equal, but ratio of the corresponding side does not equal. Here in quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS, corresponding angles are equal, but ratio of the corresponding sides is not equal. Therefore, here two polygons are not similar. Got it? It is a figure 6.6 from our textbook on your page number 121. Now another one is given, figure 6.7. Let's be discussed in next one. Let's see the last figure in your textbook, page number 122. The figure 6.7. The two figures are here. One is ABCD. All sides are equal with 2.1 centimeter. And the second is PQRS, sides 4.2 centimeter. What happened here? The two figures with same side. Here the corresponding angles are not given. Here in quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS, the corresponding angles are not equal. Now we want to check the sides. AB upon PQ, 2.1 upon 4.2, 1 upon 2. BC upon QR is equals to again 2.1 into upon 4.2, 1 upon 2. And the next is CD upon PS or SP, SR, 2.1 upon 4.2, 1 upon 2. And AD upon PS is equals to 2.1 upon 4.2. Here corresponding angles are not equal. But ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, two polygons are not similar. Both conditions are proven, then the two polygons are similar. If both are not proven, then the two polygons are not similar. Now we go through our exercise 6.1 on your page number 122. The first question is that fill in the blanks using the correct word given in a bracket. The first is all circles are similar. Two options are there, congruent and similar. All circles are similar. All squares are also similar. The next is all blank triangles are similar. All the equilateral triangles are similar. The next fourth is from the statement given on page number 119. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, and B, their corresponding sides are proportional. As we see in theory. Now see the question number 2 from exercise 6.1. Give two different examples of pair of first similar figures and the second is non-similar figures. Two different examples we have to give that. The first is similar figures. Similar figures means you have to draw two squares same in shape, two figures same in shape but different in size. The first one is are the similar figures, two triangles, two circles, second one is that non-similar figures. Non-similar figures means they're not congruent. As we know, the congruent figures are also similar. Two figures different in shape. Suppose one is triangle and another is circle. It is first example. The second example is that one is rhombus and another one is square. It is a non-similar figures. Examples of non-similar figures. Now see the third number. Question number 3. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Two figures are here. The measurements, one is PQRS and the second is ABCD. All sides in quadrilateral PQRS 1.5 centimeter. In the next figure, all angles are 90 degree and sides are 3 centimeter each. We want to check that the two quadrilaterals are similar or not. First of all, find the ratio of their corresponding side in quadrilateral PQRS and quadrilateral ABCD. PQ upon AB 1.5 upon 3, the 50 upon 3 5s are, the 5 2s are 1 upon 2. The second is QR upon BC 1.5 upon 3. Same procedure is repeat, which is 1 upon 2. Next is SR upon CD is equals to 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 2s are. You can also cut it directly. Last is SP upon AD, where SP is 1.5 upon 3, 2, which is 1 upon 2. Here the quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus and the second quadrilateral is a rectangle. Here quadrilateral PQRS is rhombus and quadrilateral ABCD is square. Therefore, in quadrilateral PQRS and quadrilateral ABCD, corresponding angles are not equal, but the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Hence, in the question, state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Hence, here two quadrilaterals are not similar. Here the exercise 6.1 is completed. Whenever we meet in next session, we start similarity of triangles and our theorem 6.1.